Hello and welcome back to Day of My Frugal Life. Today is Tuesday and I was in need to look into my freezer, organize the drawers in my freezer and to actually do a bit of inventory. We keep an inventory of meat and fish that is uncooked. You saw me writing it down, what I've got, so that way it's easier for me to do my meal plans. But sometimes what happens is, if for example during the week late at night I receive some food free from Olio, I would just try to put it wherever it fits. However, when I clean and tidy my freezer, today I just tidied, I didn't do a clean or defrosting, I didn't have the time for that, so I just did a little organization. And what I do is I try to keep all the raw meat and the raw fish in one drawer. Then I've got like meals that I already cooked, batch cooked, and I've got ready for my son or for myself to take for work. For our pack lunches. I also have like French fries or hash browns, onion rings, all those kind of nuggets, all those kind of easy put in the air fryer meals, if you know. I try to have like one drawer with bread products. However, I notice I've got a lot of bread at home at the moment, so I definitely don't need to get any more. I don't usually buy bread, I usually just get it from Olio. However, I think I was given too much lately because I've got a lot. Then I have like, if I have like cakes or anything frozen, so for example, I already took to defrost. Here I've got some pancakes. I know my son would like to eat them when they are defrosted. He will easily pick up one, eat it as a snack or in the morning. And I've got some filoche that I made Christmas time, and I don't know, I still have 3 left, so I'm gonna enjoy eating them. I've got a drawer with just like vegetables. I received a lot of carrots free from Olio. I have like 5 full packs. That's a lot. And then half of a pack in a different bag. Broccoli, peppers, chilies, that kind of the vegetables we usually eat. The frozen fruit that usually is in the same drawer as the veg couldn't fit there anymore, so I had to move it to a different one, but that's fine. It's only my raspberries I've got as frozen fruit. Then what else do I have? Oh, I have a very small drawer. I didn't show you because it's so slim. It's like this high. The only thing that fits there is like packs of ham, nothing else, or ice cube in a flat pack. So that's exactly what I've got. I just clean it and you know, took the ice from. I've got 3 packs of ham in there. So yeah, just give me an idea what I've got. I don't want to buy a lot until the end of the month, but I don't want to run low that when I come back in September after my holiday I have to do a very big shop. So I need to keep the minimum, so like September can be an easy month. However, I don't want to have a lot because you never know when you are away if something happens and you lose all the food you've got in your freezers. So I just want to be aware of that, and that's why it was quite good for me to know now the quantities I've got of meat and fish, and I've got quite a lot for the next few weeks. Probably don't need to buy much. So yeah. Now, I'm not sure exactly what's gonna happen, if I'm gonna continue filming today or just tomorrow, but let's continue this vlog. Today is Thursday and my coffee machine needs to be descaled, and I want to show you how I do it. Now, I use vinegar to descale my coffee machine. I know you can buy the correct products for each coffee machine brand, but I like to do it with vinegar. Sorry about this beeping alarm. I need to find out which of my alarms is needing batteries. I woke up with with this really annoying battery noise from the alarm, but because I've got so many in the house, I've got 4 smoke alarms and 2 carbon monoxide alarms, and I can't find which one is beeping, so you might have to hear it for a little bit more. I'm so sorry, I just can't find which one is it. So yes, I am going to start descaling, and I'm going to show you how I do it. yesterday, and as you had the opportunity to already see my clip, I went to the hairdresser and I cut my hair. I didn't cut much, but it was needed. It definitely feels more healthy, and yeah, I wanted my hair to still be below my shoulders, so I said to the hairdresser, that's what I want. She completely understood, and I feel like she did a good job. So of course I did the wash and blow dry as well, because I don't like to just do the cut. If I'm going to the hairdresser, I'll do everything. But it is so expensive. I feel like if it was a little bit cheaper, I could take care of my hair a little bit more, and I would be able to cut like little bits of my hair as needed. But I paid £45 for the cut and blow dry, and I feel like I stayed there in the hairdresser for about 30 minutes, and I'm like, wow, yeah, I know. I understand they also have lots of expenses, because the hairdresser I go, she rents a chair in a salon, and I understand there's expenses. Of course, is their way of living. But there was another lady there, and she was talking to another hairdresser that also rents a chair. She was like, I can't come to the hairdresser so so often because it's so expensive and all those kind of things. And I totally relate to that. I don't know how it is where you live, but yes, I definitely feel like if it was just a little bit cheaper, I would take care of my hair and I feel better, because I know when my hair starts to feel a little bit unhealthy, especially like the edges, sometimes you just need to do a little trim, isn't it? So yeah, but I feel like I really like it. She did some waves, of course they're just fading now. But the thing is, whenever I wash my hair, it's going back to its natural color, so it's fine. I'm really pleased. I like it. I feel like much better, because lately I was just having my hair up all the time and tidy, because I just didn't like it. So yeah, hopefully I can, wear my hair like this down more often, because that's why I like it long. Now I am going to finish this video here. I had a busy week. I did film at the beginning of the week. Then I've just been so busy. I was able to finish buying all the gifts I wanted to take to my family in Portugal. I've got that all done, but some of the presents were difficult to find. Just people's likes and things, and of course I didn't want to spend a lot, so I wanted the gift to be budget friendly, but at the same time I wanted them to be nice. But yes, done. I organized a lot of things. I ordered a big shop this week, because if you've seen in my Instagram, I ask everyone's opinions, because I got a Sainsbury's voucher, £12 off a £60 shop, and because of the dates, it would be for this week, because Ian's like be middle of next week, but I don't want to do a shop in middle of the week. I always have my shop delivered at the end of the week, because that's how it works for me. And yeah, so I was thinking I don't need much, but I usually buy between 40 to 45 pounds anyway. If I pay a little bit more, because like with the voucher, well, you always have to pay the delivery anyway, I would have to pay around like 49-50 pounds, and I could have some more stock being delivered essentially for free, because those £12 would be free. So I did that. I ordered a lot of different things. You may have seen it by now, because when I upload this vlog, will be after I upload my food shop video. However, because the shop is not here yet, I don't know exactly, but I received on my phone, there was one substitution, and yeah, but I've got like washing up, laundry powder, washing up liquid, and lots of like food cupboard stuff that it's got long date and can just stay there, and it will help me, especially because I'm moving jobs and I'm gonna have a pay cut from September, so definitely helps. Thinking about that, I did already, and I just put everything away. I did a big cat food order, so I've got lots of stock that will last for them to eat until we're going on holiday, and then when we come back, because of course I can't come back home and not have food for my cats at home, so that's gonna help me. And of course, whilst I'm on a holiday, I have to buy them food, but different because it's not delivered food that I'm gonna get. But yeah, I think just organizing everything I need for the last weeks in July, before I go on holiday, really. I feel like everything is going well. I also just redo, I don't know. I did again my food hygiene certificate because I did it last October. I don't know how. It was the only certificate. I didn't have it saved digitally. Not sure exactly. I may have saved it in the school computer, but I know I had like a printed copy there. Now, I don't really want to contact anyone. As you know, it's been a long journey in terms of my mental health. I feel I am fine now. However, I'm still having counseling because I'm still on that treatment, but we are focusing on my new job and ways to help me to not feel the burnout again. And it's been really, really good. I think I've learned so much about myself. The therapist, she's really good. So yeah, I like that, but I didn't want to contact them for a certificate, so I said for my new employer, I'm happy to do it again. It's an online course. I started yesterday in the afternoon, then I stopped when my son arrived home because we went out for a walk, and just the end of the day really. So I just finished now. So yeah, just it's one of those things that are easy to do. Now I do have another course to do because my safeguarding, DSL safeguarding course, well, the certificate is only valid for 2 years. Always have to do it every 2 years if you want to be a DSL. So because it was due in May, of course I was off work, I couldn't do it through my current employer, but I already have it booked to do it. But I was asked to do it like near the time I start my job, because otherwise it's just not needed. Because of I have to do it every 2 years. If I do it now in July, I have to do it in 2 years time in July, but if I do it like end of August, beginning of September, I can do it that time, so it's easier. So yeah, I will do it after I come back from holiday. Between I come back from holiday and sorry, my phone just went, and I just will do it that way. But yeah, I'm enjoying it. I feel like it's good, really. I'm loving everything from my new job, all the contacts I'm getting, and I'm starting to get logins for things that I will need. So yeah, it's been exciting. But yeah, I'm talking too much, sorry about that. I just feel like I had so much to share that I haven't shared lately. But yeah, thank you so much for watching another vlog. Thank you so much for my new and returning subscribers. I am blown away with the amount of new subscribers I have in my channel at the moment, but also thank you so much for all the returning subscribers. Your support is really, really needed, and thank you. I am really grateful for all of you here. I feel like you've been here with me through my most dark times when I was feeling really low with my mental health, and now that I'm feeling, bright and shining again, I feel like I'm happier as well, and I'm sure you can see that through the videos. So yeah, but thank you so much for all the support, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Bye bye for now.